Hello guys, Softoni here, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to create a modern motion background here in After Effects. This type of background is perfect for any creative project, it's quick and easy to make and no plugins required. So hit the like button and let's get started. Alright guys, here we are in After Effects, and after a short break, first let's create new composition. Like always, hit here on this option or hit here on this little icon, and this is gonna be final like usual, full HD, 30 FPS, duration, it's up to you. I will go 10 seconds long. Hit OK, and first step is to create solid layer. Go right click to create new solid, and this is gonna be BG for background, also full HD. And for the color, it doesn't matter at this time, hit OK. Now let's go here inside the effects and presets, and for the first effect I will add for color gradient. You can also add ramp effect, it's up to you, just drag and drop. And for this tutorial purposes I will change this first color to blue color, and also second one you can use eyedropper, and of course you can pick whatever color you want here for your own background. Okay, now let's go here back in the effects and presets. I will type CC Griddler effect, drag and drop onto our background, like so. And for the horizontal scale, I will type 500. Also for the vertical scale, I will do 500, okay. And for the tile size, you can play around here with this option. And I will go for the tile size 8. Okay, now hit S for this background, or go open up this little triangle here, go on transform, and for the scale, I will type 110 to fill up the gaps. And now here, as you can see, we have this cool looking background inside final composition. This was our first step. Now let's animate here rotation for this Griddler effect. Set up our playhead to around 0 seconds and create first keyframe for the rotation. I will go to around 10 seconds, and here for this 0, I will type 10. And this is gonna be our base animation when we hit 0. Okay, now it's time to duplicate this background solid layer. Hit Ctrl+D or go edit and then duplicate. Okay, and for the second one, I'll rename Find Edges. Okay, go here back in the effects and presets, and I will type Find Edges effect, drag and drop. Okay, and here let's make further adjustments. Check this option invert for the Find Edges effect. Okay, and also I will change blending mode. If you can't find blending modes, hit here toggle switches and modes. Okay, change here to add. And basically, let's also change colors. Maybe this first color. This is gonna be white, and maybe also this last one. And as you can see, our colors are updating here inside this final composition. Hit here OK. I will now hit 0 once again, and as you can see, we have this cool looking flickering background here inside the final composition. You can also import here more effects, adjustment layers. For example, go here, right click, find here adjustment layer, and this is gonna be, for example, optics compensation. Go here back inside the effects and presets, find optics compensations, drag and drop, and basically you can play around here with the field of view. Also, let's check this option, reverse lens distortion, and for the field of view, it's up to you to play around with. You can also animate all of those options, but I will leave this one to you. And now I will just turn off this optics compensations for now. Let's hit 0 once again, and this is gonna be our cool looking flickering background. Alright guys, that was everything in today's tutorial, and if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and take a look at my channel for more great tutorials. And until next time, stay creative and bye bye.